we'll guide you through how to create a VS Code Workspace folder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's up and running, go to the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Add Folder to Workspace. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the folder you want to include in your workspace. If you're starting fresh and need to create a new folder, you can do so here by clicking New Folder in the File Explorer window. After selecting or creating your folder, click Add. Now you'll see your chosen folder appear in the Explorer panel on the left side of VS Code. This is your workspace folder where you can add files, organize your projects, and manage your coding tasks all in one place. If you want to add more folders to the same workspace, simply repeat the process by selecting Add Folder to Workspace again. To save your workspace for future use, go to File and select Save Workspace As. Choose a location on your computer and give your workspace a name, then hit Save. This saves a .code workspace file that you can open later to restore your workspace setup with all the folders intact. By organizing your projects this way, you can switch between different project setups with ease, improving your workflow and productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.